According to British researchers, every second person will develop cancer in their lifetime. Based on this information, it will be wise to add more anti-cancer foods into your diet if you want to prevent or heal cancer naturally. For this reason, in this video, I'll show how to make a simple red beet detox soup that has very powerful anti-cancer properties to heal and reverse cancer naturally. I recommend this recipe to all my clients who come to my anti-cancer nutritional program. If you want to learn more, check the links below this video. So let's make red beet detox soup together. I'll be using a blender. And one of the main ingredients in this video will be fermented red beets. How I ferment red beetroot you can find in one of my previous videos. You will find the link below this video. So 1 cup of fermented beets. I recommend you start with a smaller portion, but you can use up to 1 cup. Next, I will use a cup of rucola. Rucola has been used as a medicinal herb since Hippocrates. Next, soaked pumpkin seeds. Half of a cucumber. Zucchini. Chili pepper. Red paprika, sprouted mustard seeds, very easy to sprout, half of lemon, three cloves of garlic, 1 small onion, avocado, 1 tablespoon unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of miso just to add a little bit extra of probiotics, 1 tablespoon of dulse or any other seaweed, 1 scoop of organic barley grass juice. I use barley grass juice from Nutritional Energy. I believe it's the best quality. So barley grass juice powder, salt to taste, turmeric, and cumin. And at the end we will add warm water. Let's blend it. A little bit more of avocado, olive oil, and hemp seeds. Let's try it. Very, very yummy. So this is a very simple recipe that we can gradually introduce into your diet. And if you want to learn more about how to heal or prevent cancer naturally, join me for a one-on-one 60-minute consultation. You'll find the link below this video. If you like this video, let me know in the comments below and share it with your friends or family. I will see you in my next video. Bye.